Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today, we are going to talk about a very useful topic. The topic is how to think in English step by step. Please relax, listen carefully, and try to follow each step. Many English learners face the same problem. They understand some English, but when they want to speak, they stop. They think in their own language first. Then, they try to translate into English. This makes speaking slow and difficult. If you want to speak English naturally, you need to change this habit. You need to learn how to think directly in English. But do not worry. You do not need to do it all at once. You can learn step by step. Let's begin with step 1. Step 1 is to start with single words. Look around you and name things in English. For example, you can say table, chair, phone, door, or window. This is very simple, but it is important. You are training your brain to connect objects with English words, not your native language. Practice this every day, wherever you are. Try to name things in English. Step 2 is to use simple phrases. After single words, you can start using short phrases. For example, a big table, my phone, open the door, or close the window. These small phrases help you build connections between words. They also help you think a little faster. Step 3 is to make simple sentences. Now, you can start thinking in full sentences. Keep them short and easy. For example, I am sitting on a chair. I am using my phone. I am opening the door. Do not worry about grammar too much. Focus on expressing your idea in English. Step 4 is to describe your daily actions. During the day, you do many simple things. You wake up, eat, walk, study, and rest. Try to describe these actions in English. For example, I am eating breakfast, I am walking to school, I am studying English. This step helps you connect English with your real life. Step 5 is to talk to yourself. This may feel strange at first, but it is very effective. You can speak quietly or in your mind. You can talk about your plans. For example, today I will study for 1 hour. I will watch a video. You can also talk about your feelings. For example, I feel tired. If you're happy, this practice helps you think and speak at the same time. Step 6 is to ask and answer questions. Ask yourself simple questions in English. For example, what am I doing? What do I want to eat? Where am I going? Then answer in English. This creates a small conversation in your mind. It helps you think faster and more naturally. Step 7 is to use images, not translation. When you hear or think about a word, try to imagine a picture. For example, when you think apple, imagine an apple, not the word in your own language. This helps your brain create direct connections with English. Step 8 is to listen every day. Listening is very important for thinking in English. When you listen to English, your brain learns the natural rhythm and patterns. You do not need to understand everything. Just listen regularly. Over time, your brain will become familiar with English. Step 9 is to repeat what you hear. You can use a method called shadowing. Listen to a sentence and repeat it. Try to copy the sound and rhythm. This helps your brain and your mouth work together. It also helps you think more naturally. Step 10 is to practice every day. Consistency is very important. Even if you practice for 10 minutes a day, it is enough. Small daily practice creates big improvement over time. At first, thinking in English may feel slow and difficult. You may forget words or make mistakes, but this is normal. Do not be afraid. Mistakes are part of learning. Just keep practicing step by step. Your brain will slowly change. It will become more comfortable with English. You'll begin to think faster. You will need less translation. And one day you will notice something special. You're thinking in English without trying.
As you continue practicing these steps every day, your brain will slowly become more comfortable with English. At first, it may feel slow, and you may need time to think. But little by little, you will notice improvement. You will start to remember words faster. You will build sentences more easily. And most importantly, you will feel more confident when you use English. Let's go deeper into your practice. One important habit is to create an English environment in your daily life. This means surrounding yourself with English as much as possible. For example, you can change your phone language to English. You can watch simple videos in English. You can listen to English audio while walking or resting. When English becomes part of your daily life, your brain gets used to it. This makes thinking in English easier and more natural. Another helpful step is to use repetition. Do not worry if you need to repeat the same words or sentences many times. Repetition is a powerful way to learn. When you repeat something again and again, it becomes automatic. You do not need to think too much. Your brain remembers it naturally. You can repeat simple sentences like, I am learning English. I am getting better. I can do this. These sentences also help. You stay positive and motivated now. Let's talk about expanding your vocabulary. You do not need to learn many difficult words. Focus on common and useful words. Words that you use in your daily life. For example, words about food, time, feelings, daily activities. When you learn a new word, try to use it immediately in a sentence. For example, if you learn the word hungry, you can say, I am hungry now. Using the word helps you remember it and use it in real situations. Another important idea is to think in English during quiet moments. For example, when you are waiting, walking, or resting, you can use that time to think in English. You can describe what you see around you. You can talk about your plans. You can remember what you did earlier. These small moments are very useful for practice. You can also practice by telling short stories in your mind. At the end of the day, think about your day in English. For example, today I woke up early. I had breakfast. Then I studied English and watched a video. This helps you organize your thoughts in English. If you are an intermediate learner, you can add more details. For example, today I woke up early because I wanted to study. I felt a little tired, but I continued anyway. This helps you think more deeply and clearly in English. Another useful method is to avoid translating as much as possible. When you hear a new word, try to understand it using context or pictures. Do not quickly translate it into your native language. For example, if you see someone eating, you understand eat by action, not by translation. This builds a direct connection in your brain. You should also practice asking yourself questions. 4. Example, what should I do next? What do I need today? How do I feel right now? Then answer these questions in English. This creates a natural thinking process. It helps you respond faster in real conversations. Sometimes you may feel frustrated. You may feel like you are not improving, but do not worry. Progress takes time, even if you do not see big changes. Your brain is learning every day. One day you will notice that you understand more. You think faster. You speak more easily. This is the result of your daily effort. It is also important to stay patient. Learning a language is a long journey. There is no quick solution. But with daily practice, you will improve step by step. Also, try to enjoy the process. Do not make learning feel like a heavy task. Make it fun. Choose topics you like. Talk about things that interest you. When you enjoy learning, you will continue. Practicing without feeling tired. Another important point is confidence. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are normal. They help you learn and grow. Focus on communication, not perfection. It is okay if your sentences are simple. What matters is that you can express your ideas as you continue practicing. Your confidence will grow. It will. Feel more comfortable using English. You will start to think in English without effort. It will become natural. It's just like your own language. So keep practicing every day. Keep following these steps. Keep believing in yourself. In conclusion, learning to think in English is a journey. It does not happen in one day, but step by step, you can make real progress. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to know every word. What matters is that you start using English in your daily life. By following simple steps like using single words, making short sentences, talking to yourself, practicing every day, you can slowly change the way your brain works. At first, it may feel difficult. You may feel slow or unsure. But that is completely normal. Every learner feels this way in the beginning. The important thing is to keep going. Do not stop. Do not give up. Remember, small daily practice creates big results. Even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Also, do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are not failures. They are part of learning. They help you grow and improve. Focus on communication, not perfection. Try to express your ideas clearly. even if your sentences are simple. Over time, you will notice a big change. You will understand English faster. You will speak more smoothly. Most importantly, you will start to think directly in English. Without translating, this is the goal. This is the key to speaking English naturally and confidently. So start today. Take small steps. Practice every day. Stay patient and positive. Believe in yourself and trust your progress. You're improving even if you do not see it yet. One day, you will realize that English feels natural to you. You will think, speak, and understand without effort. Thank you so much for listening. Keep practicing, keep improving, and see you in the next video.